Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have this beautiful, amazing drink for you. Look at that, Dark N Stormy. If you do want it to be considered a Dark N Stormy, and you can call it a Dark N Stormy, you are gonna have to purchase this right here, because if not, you're gonna be doing something illegal, my friend. For that reason, I drink all this bottle. I'm a little tipsy right now. I had to pick it up, because if I wasn't, I'll be tempted to put in this drink. And who knows, maybe they'll take my video down. Maybe they'll flag me. Maybe they'll cancel my whole channel. I'm just kidding, guys. I don't know what would happen. This is my first time actually buying this bottle. I've never tasted it before, and I'm already a quarter of the way through, so it's an alright bottle, you know, I will do better. But hey, whatever you choose to drink on this drink, it's up to you, same like me. So if you're interested in this freaking drink, make sure you stay tuned. So if you're interested in this drink, make sure you stay tuned for the recipe, alright you guys? Let's get started. Alright guys, so for this, we're not gonna be shaking. We could be stirring, I'm not gonna stir. The only thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna layer it right up. So I start off by putting it up, all the ice in there, all your pieces of ice, all the way to the top. Bam. There you go, guys. Original recipe, you don't add lime juice, but I love myself some lime juice, fresh squeezed lime juice. Tag is optional, like always, you guys, but gotta love that fresh squeezed lime juice. So I'm gonna do about half of a lime, you know, boom. Then 1/4 of an ounce of ginger syrup. I'm almost done with this. I'm gonna have to order another one. So 1/4 of an ounce of ginger syrup. You know, you're already using ginger beer, but I love myself some ginger. You know, I like that bite it gives you. Delicious. So now we're gonna top it off with our ginger beer. Any ginger beer that you like. I prefer this one right here, guys. Bam. Almost all the way to the top. All right, guys, next thing, I would put this on there. I would love to put the plantation. I'm out of it. I did it on purpose just so I wasn't tempting. I'm putting it in the drink. Instead, we're gonna use the Gosling's Brothers original recipe. What is it? Black Seal, Black Dark Rum. No, it's not bad for 20 bucks, you know. It's not my favorite choice, but it's all right, guys. It does the trick. So we're gonna use 2 ounces, you know. Bam, there you go. Look at that layer effect. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna add our garnish on there. Lime wedge in there. Get some mint leaves in there. It's almost like a Moscow Mule, but instead with freaking rum, or it's pretty much like a mojito. Just a couple different ingredients. It's very delicious, very beautiful, nice drink as well. You could mix it up, stir everything up, but I'm gonna leave it like this just so it looks nice. Now the next thing is the test. I have to put my straw in there. I'm gonna try not to mix it too much, but I am gonna taste it. You guys, that's a nice, beautiful drink, all right? Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know any drinks you want me to create out there. Remember, you must use this one. If not, your drink is not a Dark N Stormy, you guys. It's not considered that. We consider something else, but not a Dark N Stormy. Instead, I prefer to use this or any other dark rum, you know? That one's okay. Not the best in my opinion. It is kind of good, but there's better options. But hey, use whatever you want, guys. Who am I to judge? See you guys in the next one. Peace. Dude, I'm enjoying this. Whee!